Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I'll quickly show you how to disable Windows Defender on Windows 11 by using two applications and two methods. So firstly, before I use any of those methods, the first steps to do are going to be finding your actual Windows Defender. Opening it, you need to open it up. Now go to your virus and threat protection. Now go to manage settings and make sure to disable all of these buttons right over here under virus and threat protection settings. So real time is going to be the main one that you need to disable. If you don't disable it, you will not be able to use the applications that I will show you to actually disable Windows Defender. So just make sure to untick this one. Also everything in the bottom over here, disable everything as well. Then close your Windows Defender. And also a quick note, in this video we're going to be messing around with system settings. And if you mess anything up in your system and break anything, just remember that we are not responsible for any damage that you will make and cause in your operating system. And with that out of the way, I'm just going to show you two applications that will easily disable your Windows Defender in one click. Okay, so on my screen right now I have two applications to use to disable your Windows Defender. The first one is going to be WinArrowTweaker. This one is a great application for optimizing your system. So if you want to use this one, it's very easy. In the search bar, just type in Defender. Now double click on this one right here, and now just basically click on Disable Windows Defender. Just double click it and then restart your system and your Windows Defender will be disabled. Now I'm going to close this application and move on to the next one. So this one is a little bit more scary, but don't fret, it's very easy here as well, and I've been also using this application myself to disable Windows Defender on both Windows 10 and 11. So basically in this app, go to System, and in here from the top, as you can see, we have different settings, and make sure to find the third one from the top, which is Stop and Disable Windows Defender and Smart Screen. Click on this checkbox, then press Apply, and then also restart your system to apply the changes. And after you log in into your system once again, your Windows Defender will be automatically disabled. But also something you have to know is that disabling your Windows Defender on Windows 10 is completely safe. It's not going to break anything in your system, but Windows have changed some things in Windows 11 system, and basically if and when you disable Windows Defender on Windows 11, your system might actually break. So just like I said, we are not held responsible for any damage that you will deal to your PC with these apps. Just make sure to understand that this method will work on Windows 10. On Windows 11 you might still have issues, so just keep that in mind if you want to move on with doing all of these changes. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If this helped, leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to us, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.